First winter storm after the summer. Crazy. I don't know about you guys, but I belong in the Caribbean. That's where I belong. It's too damn cold for this. Yeah. But the dogs kind of like it out here. Not me. I need to be warm. Let me introduce you to one of my dogs. This is Abel. Oh, look, Abel. Hey, you like the snow? You like the snow? That's Kano. Hey, Kano. Hey. Yeah, they like playing around in the snow. I don't know why. Me? Mm-mm. Warm inside. Look, Abel, say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera, boy. Hey, boy. The garbage man is out. I don't know. So today's Friday, so I figured today would be a good day to stay home. I don't think about driving into the office when it snows. I'd rather be home in bed warm. I wish I could spark up some of these grills, but I got an old grill I gotta get rid of. Haven't used that smoker yet. Now, if you look, I put it together wrong, so I gotta fix that. That was our summer pool. Looks more like an ice skating rink now. And I'm not gonna have fun digging these cars out. Not looking forward to that. And these birds are chirping. I don't got nothing to chirp about. Actually, it's a good day. Sky is blue. Cloudy, but can't complain, you know. Hey, you gotta enjoy every moment, every day, right? Right, Abel? Right, Abel? What, you eating snow? You eating snow? Huh? You eating snow? Alright, guys. Enjoy your day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.